In this video, we'll be covering the athlete rank and analytics page of the Surfantasy website. Once you're logged in, you can see your username up in the top right-hand corner. And from there, you'll be able to navigate to the athlete rank heading. The athlete rank is calculated based on the average result for premier races across this timeline you've selected. A premier race is considered a Shaw & Partners World Ocean Series 7,000 or 10,000 point event, or Aussies. You can look at all the rankings for all the athletes across any of the disciplines and again across different timelines. The rankings show a lot of detail about the performance of that athlete. So for example, the conversion rate into finals, their best and worst results, and their consistency factor. If you want to understand how the consistency factor is calculated, you can hover over the consistency heading. If you want to find out more information about an athlete, you can select on their name. From here, you have the option to select them as a favorite. If you select them as a favorite, that heart icon will come up next to their name when you are selecting your Surfantasy teams. You'll be taken straight into the analytics page for that athlete, where you can see their performance data based on the different disciplines and across different timelines. For example, you can see the best iron orders and racing conditions for that athlete. Within the iron orders, you can see their conversion rate and their average position. And for the surf conditions, wind conditions, and tide conditions, these are calculated only off of the finals. You can also get a summary of that discipline's results and see the trend line where you can find any outlying results. If you wanted to have a look at your full results history, you can see the final overall calculated position for every event in our database, or you can go to every single round that you've competed in and see your results. Final part is you can see the profile, where you can understand a little bit more about the athlete and, more importantly, recognize their craft, because the easiest way to see how an athlete is going in a race is by knowing their craft colors. There's also a little bio about the athlete, their sponsors, and their result highlights. The athlete rank and analytics page is really powerful, and we're looking forward to seeing all of your unique insights from the page.